Today on Ultralearning AI, 60 seconds on how to use the worktrees command in Claude Code. So what it is, why to use it, how to use it, and why it matters. How to first get to it is in Claude, in your given file directory, in your right hierarchy. What you'll do is just type Claude so as to kick off code, and then hit dash dash worktrees. And then if you like, specify the name of the branch. We'll cover that in a second. And if you don't, Claude Code will give you one as well, a made up arbitrary sort of funny name, which might be cool to look at. But ideally, you type in a couple of words, Claude dash dash worktrees branch one, shall we say. What it is one repository connected to GitHub, one GitHub repo with multiple directories attached to it. So each will have its own branch, but they will share the same Git history, and they will each have their own commits, but they will all feed into the same history and connect back to that same repo. Why is that a good thing? Well, you can work on one thing and go right along on your merry way, or you could work on several. You could open this up on several terminals and work on several branches, and even more than two. It doesn't have to be just a couple. It could be a handful. And what that does is allow you to parallel process and do a lot more in the same amount of time. So you can be churning through tokens and having Claude Code build for you in a number of different ways all at once. And that's very important, and that's a big time saver. So conceptually, this is important to remember in terms of Git and how Git works. There is just the one branch, and there is just the one work tree. So we could call that policy a one branch, one work tree policy. And each work tree is going to get its own branch. And so you will not be on the same branch, but ultimately they will all feed into each other, and they will not collide with each other when you work with Git. And that's very important, and that's a big time saver. So if we're to take a couple of examples here, what I've just done is open up in this one, Claude dash dash worktree branch one, Claude dash dash worktree branch two. You can see how those are different. Arbitrary example, don't have anything visual there really to look at, but the point is clear. So that's how you use work trees, and you will save time. Eager to hear how that works for you.